Part 2 is 2010 Nissan Pathfinder. Its motor is VQ40DE and its implement on 35, VQ35 or VQ family 37. It's a little bit different, but timing should be almost same. So come to the point is like um, where I'm making marks and I'll show you what I did. So remember that thing, if you don't have a marks on the existing chain because it's look like a old or anything, or you just wanted to change something and you just wanted to make a mark, so always make a mark where it is, and you can count this teeth, it should be 35, but once the first chain is like it's on the passenger side and engine is on the left, so just make it easy, passenger side right side and driver side left side. Okay, so that what I'm doing, it's like make a mark first chain, this is the original dot, then make it dot over there, and that should be aligned with this thing. Forget this one right now. This one has to be aligned with this is dot, and this line has to be over here, so it should be like this. Somehow it's look off, but now if in this position it looks same. So that's how it align over here, and this mark has to be aligned a little bit up. Now come to the door side, which is that is has to be aligned over here. This is notch over here on the oil pump, and this is dot over here, and that original chain mark will be aligned over here. So this is how it goes. This is adjuster, and this is the time to change or not change. Check it if it's good or not. But let's say if you don't want to change the chain right now. So this is how you make a mark. Second marking is come. This is once you remove this first chain, then there will be second marking, and normally it's supposed to be marked up to here on the top, but if you can able to see it internally, that should be marking over here. This should be not this one, this should be going up like this. So if I go like this, that will make sense, right? So this, whenever you take it out, that mark has to be marked over here. Chain marks are here, so two dots, and this links has to be color, and then there should be another color link which should be somewhere around here, but once I remove it, then I'll make a mark over there. And then now come to the driver side, which is the right side of the engine, but we'll say driver side, that will be easy. As I mentioned it, if it goes like this, then it will make a straight line. If I'm seeing like this angle, it's look like off. Just clarify. So this have a two lines over here, which has to be marked as a two dot. That's original chain have a two dots over here, and that two lines has to be match. And again, there will be another notch over here once I remove this VTEC system or timing system, then it will be matched. So this is to remember one thing. If I go for the left driver side, you can see, able to see it, that the intake is going to be pressed and exhaust is completely off. And if I go for the right side over here, right side, that will be around 75 to 80-degree facing each other, like maybe I'm not justifying it, but this is how they're facing each other. So notches are facing, this means the valves are closed over here. So this is what it's a VQ's family timing, and that will help you to make it any other timing. And remember one thing, don't worry if you match the marks, timing will be coming because you cannot make it wrong on the sitting. If you're making it wrong, then there should be not matching over here. So it means there's something wrong, you make it. So make a proper marks and match it. That's only thing. Let's say if you don't have a marking or anything, at least you got the point where it is. This is top dead center and this is how it going. So remember again, that's internal notch that has to be aligned on the top over here. So once I remove this gear, then it will be matching over here. That's a came now. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be matched. Like this is outer and this is inner. Inner should be matching like this. So this is how you make a timing. This inner VV and hopefully this will help you out. Anyone who's looking for. Thank you for watching. This is Shara from Auto Service Provider.